Hey guys, it's Diamond, and today I want to tell you guys little stories here and about the notebooks, the 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 quote I was listening on the on the belt because in writing the be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Yes, I really love this quote, and also this is the my VIP members order, and she is super important to me. So, and she always just say something to me and just leave the right to me and just let me to do anything new design or new idea to her product. So I'm so many thanks in my mind to her. And like this one week's hobos here, and this is made in the mid hobo. So you can see the inside is in the peach leather and the classic, they combine together like this. Yes, and I want to especially to make this video and I want to tell you guys this small story is about the last year, like the last year in the Black Friday daytime. My shop was be closed, and that was very terrible to me and to my family too. Yeah, and I remember last year have a few months that's really like a big disasters in my family, and just that we just start to make the business on the traveler's notebook. Yes, we we don't do very good in the beginning, and especially something happened that made my shop was be closed. So that was really hard time for me and for Wing and for Sheila too, because once one time we can't even afford to buy a formula to Sheila, so that is very bad to us. But now we are just getting better and better, but not so just very good, just but we just getting better now, and we are really thankful in my mind to all the fans that you are support the count, support the right. Yes, and I especially want to tell you guys about Beeling 10, and she lives in the UK, and she is such a really kind lady. Yes, she always support me everything, every design, every notebook, every ideas. And like this one, like this cover, I especially writing here, be a rainbow in someone else's cloud, because you know, just in a short few months, yes, and there are not so many orders in my shop. Yes, but always when we need help, I don't know, maybe let's just like the maybe just like the angel hear your mind, you are worrying about something or you are thinking about something, and always on the moment the Beeling will just send message to me and say she want the notebook like this, and always she always just like an angel that will jump out in front of your door, and you will just feel amazing, and the hard time just have the way to relax. Yes, so she always make me surprised, and I want to make a sensible video to her and tell her that's why I listen this quote in her notebook, because she just like the rainbow in my cloudy sky. Yes, she just like the rainbow. And now we are getting better, and also we will always keep this quote in our mind, and also we will do somebody's rainbow if we could. Yes, we will love to do that. And and also as a Chinese, as a Taiwanese, and we always keep humble in our mind. Yes. And like this Black Friday sale event. Also, that is the one of my friend, and she is Penny. She remind me must to do a special sale in this Black Friday. So I also thank to Penny, and also this quote is one day I was talking to her, and I said I want to find some quote to present my thankful to Beeling, and she just blah 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 and tell me a lot quote she knows, and I just saw this. I just love it because it's just the real thing to touch my heart to Beeling. Yes. So I'm here to say thank you, Beeling, and also I want to say happy birthday to you, and that birthday gift will send to you in the next month. Yes, and all your orders will all sent to you in the next month, in the next Monday. Yes. So I especially to make this video here, just want to say thank you to my first VIP customers in LeCow and in Le-Right. Yes, because I feel a lot, because we are not living in the same country, so I cannot just go visit there and say thank you. But I want to just do the video. I just want to say that really appreciate all your help, all your support to us. Okay, so happy birthday to you, Beeling, and thank you for being the rainbow when my cloudy day, and you always just show up to me, and I feel so happy, and wish you guys will also can be the rainbow in someone else's cloud. Okay, the world is very peace, and we all need to help each other and make the world more peace. Okay, wish you guys will love the video today, and see you next time. Bye.